We're back. Hello, everybody. My name is Shiny. I'm a documentary and commercial editor that spent the last 15 years working with clients like Vice, BBC, Ogilvy, MSC Saatchi. And welcome back to the video editing podcast from Unsplice, where you're going to learn how to overcome randomly editing from the gut and consistently craft top-tier edits using high-level storytelling tactics and industry-standard workflows that premium clients will pay £300 to £500 per day for. Now, if you're wondering where I've been, life happened, baby. And life happened in the best possible way. And I had to take some time off because, well, I became a dad. And I also embarked on a house renovation. And so I've been knee-deep in house renovation, scraping walls, building walls, nappies, paint samples, and sleepless nights. It's been a hell of a year, and it's been really humbling to have people reach out to say, when am I going to make another episode? This is the official restart of the video editing podcast after my hiatus. Thank you so much for being a loyal listener. And if you're new here, welcome. We've got some great things coming up for you over the next 100 days. Now, here's the wildest part. Over the last year, I got nominated for an Emmy. And it's put a massive smile on my face during all that chaos. A film that I worked on actually in 2023 got nominated for an Emmy in 2024. And I'm super grateful. And I thought it was a scam at first. When I got the email come through, I did not think it was real. I thought it was a scam because they make you pay for the awards when you go through. So I was like, do I pay this money? What if it's a scam? Turns out it's not a scam. And no, I did actually get nominated for an Emmy. If you want to take a look at the documentary, it's on the Unsplice about page, unsplice.com/about, if you're interested. The documentary is actually on YouTube, so it's free to watch. I'm still kind of processing it all, but it's also a good indicator for all of us editors that you're only one piece of work away from achieving something significant. One edit could lead to the next big thing. You just don't know which one it's going to be. But now we're back, and I'm doing something a little bit mad. Because of this hiatus, we're missing dozens of episodes that could have helped you. And so, in order for me to make up for that loss and for us to kickstart the podcast back into life, I'm going to be doing 100 episodes in 100 days, starting tomorrow. You heard me right. I'm going to be sharing all of my 15-year experience, my Emmy level experience to you every single day for the next 100 days. And I've also spent the last year really refining the training and the offers from Unsplice. And now what I see as the foundation, the technical workflow, that's purchasable as a standalone workshop. And it will teach you all of the foundational technical workflow knowledge that you need to an industry standard level. And I've reduced the price because I realized this is the foundational knowledge every editor needs. And what I'm trying to build is this mark of quality that comes from Unsplice students. That is my goal for the brand, to build the only system that's recognized by the industry for qualifications. And technical workflow is the beginning of that. It's the very foundation. And so I tried to make it as affordable as possible. Not only that, I've also built a program called the Storycraft Sprint. It's a 30-day program where you will get hands-on mentorship and training from me to help you build one video, one edit that is of a premium level, that a premium client would pay £300 a day for. And that is a guarantee. And it's only 30 days, and we're going to, in these 30 days, have you output this incredible portfolio piece, this standalone piece that you can send out to clients that will pay £300 a day to use as your proof that you are capable. It's the portfolio starter. It's the amuse-bouche of your portfolio. And It's transformative. You really only need one perfect video to send to the client to convince them that you are a great choice. And the whole point of this Storycraft Sprint is to prove that. Training is going to start in November. We're only going to be taking on 10 students. If you're interested, link in the description for the waitlist. And what's more, if you are unsure what to do next, then you can book a free mentorship session with me. And during the call, we're going to diagnose exactly what mistakes you're making that are holding you back from earning £300 to £500 per day as a freelance video editor for commercials and documentaries. If you're interested, link is in the description. So if you're an editor who's just trying to get better at editing, or you're trying to build a portfolio that gets you better work, or you just want to understand how the pros work, then this podcast and these systems are exactly for you. No fluff, just actionable insights from somebody who's been in the trenches. Now, I'm genuinely excited about this. It's ambitious. 100 days, 100 podcast episodes is going to be really tough, but I think we can create something magical and really, really valuable here. So if you have any ideas or things that you would love to hear, then please do let me know. Buckle up, subscribe if you haven't already so you can get alerts every single day. There's going to be value, value, value. Let's make this happen. Thank you so much for listening. Let's get stuck in.